Where's Molly Ringwald when you need her?
This is the single worst day of my entire life.
We may soon need a cake with 16,000 candles on it for the Dow. Yes, the Dow is closing in on an important, or some might tell you that, psychological milestone of 16,000, obviously a record high.
The Dow roars back to a record close.
The Dow and the S&P both finished at records yesterday.
The Dow is opening at another record high.
I don't care. The Dow, first and foremost, it's kind of like this old habit that dies hard. Everyone quotes it when they think about the market, but the Dow is just 30 companies. Yes, most of these companies are very important economic bellwethers, but it's still only 30 companies. 16,000, it's not 10,000.
Down 10,000 right there.
15,000, 20,000. So I'm not so sure why people are getting all wrapped up about Dow 16,000. Yes, there are other indexes also getting near these important psychological highs. The S&P 500 might hit 1,800 soon. The NASDAQ might get back to 4,000 for the first time since the dot-com bubble burst in 2000. There's another round number for you. So why is the market rallying so much even though the broader economy is relatively sluggish? There are two reasons. One, the Federal Reserve has kept interest rates low for a very long period of time. They're buying bonds and that's pumping liquidity into the market. So people have money sloshing around, and particularly the wealthy, and they're buying stocks with it. But the other reason is that corporate profits are pretty good. However, there's a problem with that. A lot of companies are keeping their expenses down in order to boost profits when revenues aren't rising, and that's mainly due to companies either hiring fewer people or in some cases laying them off, and that is a bad economic sign. So yes, we're all happy when we look at our 401k and it's a bigger number now than it was last year. But until the economy actually improves, I think the average consumer that might be thinking of chasing this rally now has to wonder whether or not stocks can continue going up indefinitely.